Hello everyone, good morning. Ngayon po ay April 13, 2021. So as usual, we are checking the PECI, no? Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Uh, to my fellow FWS, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Yung nasa Pilipinas, magandang umaga. It's already 9:36 in the morning. So tingnan natin itong PCI and we will see also the other companies. But before we proceed, so disclaimer, ito po yung disclaimer na hindi po ito recommendation recommendation to buy, to sell, or to hold your position if you have shares of these companies. Kasi we have a different trading style, no? So this is only purely for educational purposes, to study the support and resistance. So we see the chart here of PECI as of 9:37 in the morning. Is down by 0.14%. So ganun pa rin yung movement ni PCI. So tingnan natin kung ma-break itong incline resistant. Kung babalik man siya dito sa may bottom, this incline support and this horizontal support na titingnan natin na hindi ma-break ni PCI. So as per the current position, still PCI in a downtrend. Kasi yung level ng PCI ay below sa mga exponential moving averages. So still we'll wait, sana ma-break itong incline resistant. So as I said, maganda kung babalik dito sa may ibabaw ng lahat ng exponential moving averages. So ngayon tingnan natin kung mag-hold itong incline support, if ever babalik si PCI dito na area. So let's go to the first stock we will see, ABA. Tingnan natin si Abacor Capital Holdings. Si Abacor, ito po yung ano ni Abacor, no? Support. So nandito na siya sa may malapit sa may resistant area. So tingnan natin kung babalik siya dito sa mga exponential moving averages. So uptrend pa naman yung ano ni ABA, kasi yung current price ni ABA ay nasa lahat ng ibabaw ng lahat ng exponential moving averages. So uptrend pa rin. Pero malapit na po siya sa may resistant area. So tingnan natin kung if there is a breakout dito sa may resistant, then this is good. But for now, malapit na siya diyan. So we'll wait if there is a retracement again here in the EMI20 area, this blue line. Tingnan natin kung babalik si ABA dyan. Kasi kung sukatin natin yan, galing dito sa may support, yung support area here, yung current price ni ABA ay 16% dito sa may horizontal support. So mataas na po siya ng 16%. So hintay-hintay tayo kung may retracement na mangyari ni ABA. So it's depend on your style also. If long term yung strategy, then you can, no? But for me, malapit sa may resistance, so I will wait if there is another pullback of ABA on this area. So ito po yung horizontal support ni Abacor, this line. Okay, so malapit sa may resistant. Next one, BEC. Natin si Basic Energy. So ganun din si BEC, nandito sa may resistant area. So if you want to For me, I will wait if kung ma-break itong horizontal resistance. So malapit sa may resistance, possible there is a retracement. So I will wait if there is another retracement for BEC if ever pabalik siya dito sa may horizontal support. But if there is a breakout, then it's good, no? Especially if you buy here sa may bottom, so you have now around 49% also. So this is good if you buy on this area. So but if you want to buy now, we need to wait if there's a breakout and there's a pullback on this line because it will become a support. This resistance, if ever ma-break, and then if there's a pullback, it will become support. So now nito sa may resistance, possible again if he did not break this horizontal resistance, there's a possibility that there is a pullback again. So we will wait if there is a pullback or there is a breakout. We'll see FB. FB, ganon, nandito rin sa may resistant area. So mas maganda kung aakyat si FB dito sa may line na ito, no? This area here. Maganda kung aabot si FB on this area here. Ngayon na malapit din naman sa may resistant, so hintay tayo if there's a pullback. But kung aangat siya dito sa may area, dito sa may horizontal resistant area on this area, mas maganda. Tingnan natin kung may breakout on this horizontal resistance, this line. But ngayon, the current price is near the resistant area. So candidate for retracement. So we need to wait if there is a retracement, if ever. So malayo-layo, maraming resistance sa taas kay FB. So we'll need to wait if there is a pullback in the support area on this area here. Next one, PLC. PLC, ganun din, nandito rin sa may resistant area. So, kung ma-break ito ni PLC, then it's good. This is the next possible direction of PLC above. This next horizontal resistance above. So we need to see if there is a breakout of PLC. So sana mag-hold si PLC then. Kasi kung hindi mag-hold, then this is the next possible direction of PLC, this horizontal support, the previous horizontal support line. But if ma-break, so bantayan natin kung ma-break, then this is the next resistance line we need to see for PLC. So tingnan natin si PLC. Next one is Tech. Si Tech, ganun din, no? Nandito sa may resistant area. So sana ma-break ni Tech itong horizontal resistant. So kung hindi niya ma-break then of course this is the next support line, the previous support. We need to watch for Tech. So kung nakabili kayo dito sa may baba, maganda kasi nakaangat siya hanggang dito ngayon. You have a 12%, more than 12% gain kung nakabili kayo dito sa may area na ito yung horizontal support. So nandito sa may resistant, candidate for retracement. So it's good kung ma-break ni Tech itong horizontal resistant line above. So the current most active at 9:45 is MPI. Top gainers, CAB, and the top losers is Aber, down by 8.45%. So I hope you learn something about this discussion. If you have comments, just put your comments in the comments box. And if you think this discussion is helpful, don't forget to subscribe and post the bell all para ma-notify po kayo if there is a new review that we are discussing. So that's all for today. Thank you and God bless us all always.